What's going on, guys? This is an update to my channel. Sorry about the dim lights. It's night right now, and if I turn on the lights, the light will reflect on my face. Alright, so this is an update to my channel. First of all, I would like to thank all my subscribers. I have 3,500 subscribers now, so I'd like to thank you guys for subscribing, watching my videos, and commenting and leaving feedback. Hopefully you guys found the videos fruitful. Okay. Second thing I'd like to address is what I've been doing for the past year or so since I made my last videos. So for the past year or so, I've been working on a computer vision app. I'm still working on it. It uses deep learning, computer vision. I also took some time out to learn iOS, Swift programming. So I've been working on that. It's still not done. I ran into a couple of hiccups, but it's progressing. So hopefully it'll be done within the next 3 months or so. I've also refined my Python skills. I've learned a lot this past year or so. I've also taken math courses, deep learning, machine learning, just read various books on programming. So I feel I've grown this past year. Not only that, I've also taken random courses in microbiology, biochemistry, and that sort. Mainly MOOCs and textbooks, sort of self-learning. So here on out, what I want to do with the channel. So I want to focus on videos, self-containing videos that can break down a task. So if you have a certain task like duplicate images or adding watermarks to images, I want to focus on videos that sort of can break down a single task. Instead of working on a playlist of something like regular expressions or multi-threading, I would like to focus more on things that are sort of applicable to daily life, things that you can use to tackle certain problems. I will probably also be creating playlists. I'm not sure exactly what I want to focus on, but for the foreseeable time being, I want to focus on single videos that can break down a task and it teach you how to handle the problem. Besides that, I also recently have been doing yoga and I've gotten more into health and fitness. So that's another aspect I want to touch upon. Is as programmers, we stay on the computer for a very long time, and we need to be able to take care of our physical being as well. So as much as we're trying to improve our programming skills and mental capacity, we should be also trying to exert that much effort into the physical capacity of ourselves as well, because it's very important. So you need to take that mindset of solving problems and building intelligence also into focus it into building your physical being as well, making sure you're up to date and healthy. So I've changed around some diets. I'm using a standing sort of desk, or I'm standing up. I'm using boxes to put my monitor on top of it. So certain things I've learned that have helped me feel more energetic. So I also want to touch upon that, and I'll also be touching upon things I'm reading, things I've learned the past year, and things I'm learning how to become a more effective programmer. How to become a more effective programmer, and sort of how to not waste time and lose focus and things of that sort. So yeah, so from here on out, I will be making videos, self-containing videos, as well as I'll be touching upon health aspects and just books I'm reading and things of that sort. So hopefully you guys continue to subscribe to the channel, continue to watch my channel, leave feedback, comments as to what you guys want to see, and yeah, I guess keep in touch, and I will see you guys next time.